Welcome to the series Ask a Paramedic. I am Jesse Owens, current National Registry paramedic and current flight paramedic. We're going to be going over one of the most challenging questions that you probably have before starting paramedic school, and that is, what is the best way to prepare for paramedic school? Paramedic preparation actually begins far beyond you even entering the classroom. Having a good diet and a consistent exercise regimen is essential to paramedic school. With all the long hours and patient contacts that you're going to endure, you have to be physically ready, as well as mentally. Second is utilizing any internal resources you have. By that, I don't mean textbooks around the station, I don't mean any outlying resources that you have around you. I mean those paramedics that you work with day in and day out. Get in the back of the rig, check off medications with them, ask for indications, contraindications, ask about the pathophysiologies. Those are some of the best resources that you can have day in and day out that are already right there with you. Number 3, once you're in the classroom, your textbook is the best resource you can use. Take that book everywhere you go, because if you have a question that you can't answer or somebody else cannot answer, I guarantee you it is in that textbook. And number 4, once you're finally prepared and you have all the other resources, you can start going for external resources. Whether that's preparation tests, YouTube videos, flashcards. There's so many different ways to prepare you. I hope you guys come out with more questions, and I can't wait to see all these future paramedics.